Changing your password on Snapchat is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. Step 4. Select Password. Scroll down and find the option labeled Password. Tap on it to begin the password change process. Step 5. Enter your new password. Follow the prompts to enter your current password, then input your new password twice to confirm. Make sure your new password is strong and secure, then save the changes. By following these steps, you can successfully change your Snapchat password and enhance your account security. Remember to keep your new password safe and avoid sharing it with others.